I want us to look at the elimination method. I prefer this method to use if you are given two linear equations to solve for two different variables. For example, here we are given two linear equations and we have been asked to solve for x and y simultaneously. So this type of method is gonna be useful for us to solve for these two variables. Okay, how are we going to solve, or how are we going to use them? Our first step to solve, we have to group this equation and name these our two equations as equation 1 and here as equation 2. Okay, now to eliminate these two equations, we have to look at the simplest or the common factors. Okay, we have to look on the common factors, or if you don't have the common factors, you have to make them by using the common factors. Okay, for example, here we have got minus 2y and also we have got positive 2y. So we have something which is common on our both equations. So we don't have to multiply the entire equation by the different sign, okay, to make something that will give us the common factor. So it is simpler. So what are we going to do right now? We're gonna add the like term. For example, we're gonna say equation 1 plus equation 2. Okay, that is how we're gonna eliminate these two equations. If I'm saying we're gonna add equation 1 and equation 2, we're gonna say the like term will be grouped together or will be added up together. Like for example, if we have got 3x and 4x, these are like term because they have got one, they are sharing one variable, so they are the like term. We're gonna say 3x plus 4x. That will give us 7x. Okay, then moving forward, we're gonna say minus 2y plus 2y. That will cancel each other. Then we're gonna be left with 0 equals to 8. 8 plus 6. That will give us 14. Okay, it's 14. Then as you can see, it is easy right now to solve for what? For x. So now we're gonna say 7x, but we want x, so we're gonna be dividing by 7 to get rid of 7, equals to 14 divided by 7. That x will be equal to positive 2. This is our final answer for our x value. But we are not done because we are being asked to solve for x and y. Right now we are done with x, so we have to go forward and look for y. So how do we find y? So we have to take one of our equation. Let us take our equation 2 and substitute the x value that we have. So we're gonna say 4x plus 2y equals to 6. Okay, then we know the value of y right now, so we're gonna say 4 into positive 2 plus 2y is equal to 6. Okay, then we say 4 times 2, that will give us 8. That will give us 8, but we're gonna transpose all of it towards the right hand side of our equal sign. Okay, then we're gonna be left with 2y equals to 6. This will give us positive 8. So when we are transposing, we're gonna be having, or it will change the sign and be minus 8. Okay, so we're gonna be left with 2y divided by 2. Let us divide by 2. 6 minus 8, that will give us 2. Okay, then we have to divide by 2 both sides, because what we are doing on our right hand side, we have to do it on our left hand side. Okay, so therefore we find our y value equals to positive 1. Our positive 1. So we are done with solving for y. So that is our final answer for these two linear equation. Okay.